So I finally picked it up yesterday morning, and now I'm making my video. So here goes. Hi guys, it's the Emerging Educator here, and I'm finally going to open my present from the YouTube teacher Valentine exchanged, and it is Sunday, February 18th. The reason I have taken so long to open it and get my video up was because I work a substantial distance from where I live, and by the time I would get home every night, the post office would be closed. So I finally picked it up yesterday morning, and now I'm making my video. So here goes. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm very excited because it's a big box. And it says fragile, which means it's always a good thing. That means whoever sent it obviously wanted to take good care of it. And so based on the package, oh goodness, I'm so bad with names. I don't want to mess it up. Is it Funda? But her YouTube handle is Read and Bloom, so please check out her videos, and thank you so much in advance for whatever it is that you got me. And a special shout out goes out to Miss Ruth, Diary of a Mad Black Teacher, for setting up this gift exchange and thinking of us smaller YouTube channel teachers. So here goes. I'm so excited. Okay. Packed up really tight, which is a good thing. All right, always have a blade handy. All right. So the first thing I see is a note for me, for the Emerging Educator, just saying that she enjoys my videos and that she hopes I enjoy my package. So thank you very much for that. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Just bubble packaging, I guess it is. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, first thing I see is, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. This is great. I love this. It's my name. And it's wood. How exciting. Thank you. I love it. Oh, thank you so much. Wow, this is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh man. That's awesome. Oh, a clipboard. Yay, and again, it has my name on it. I love it. Thank you. I love it. It's so pretty with Scrabble letters. This is wonderful. Love it. So great. Wonderful. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, jeepers. And there's more. Ooh, a hole punch. Thank you so much. This is the hole punch for when I was organizing my classroom library. I had noticed that Pocket Full of Primary had her library labels, and I ordered them, and I was looking for a hole punch. So thank you. Wonderful. Let's see what else is in here. Aww. Some foam shapes, which is awesome because I just got a Cricut, and I can definitely use these to make some pretty shapes. Maybe even a Valentine's Day banner for next year. Wonderful. I'm so excited. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm guessing this is a letter opener. Look how pretty that is. Oh, wow. So pretty. Goodness. Oh, and more hearts. Wonderful. I love it. So awesome. Oh, and there's one more thing. Last but not least, a pencil. I love it. It is so cute. Thank you so much, Read and Bloom. I love everything. It is so great. And thanks again to Miss Ruth for being so awesome and getting this thing started and set in motion and organizing it and taking care of everything for us. And thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. It's a little belated, but better late than never. Have a great weekend. Bye.